Okay, we're going to do sound effects for UncBot. So, under the UncBot menu, we need to create a command, design a permission, and figure out what file we're going to use. So, there's a lot of websites that give you different files. It has to be an MP3 file. So, if you go somewhere and you download a file that's not an MP3, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. VLC is a free software you can use. I'm trying to see if we can get this to open here. Okay, here we go. So VLC Media Player, you just go Media, Convert, Save. Find the file. We're going to add it. We're going to go to the desktop. I created Sound Test Sounds 1. Now you can see that there's two different folders in here of the same thing because I downloaded both of them. We are going to get the one that is a wave sound, and we're going to convert it to an MP3. We already have one, but we're going to do it anyway. So I'm going to open it there. Here it is. So I want to convert and save it, and you want to choose Audio, MP3. Destination file. Here's where you got to put it once it's converted. So we're going to call it Test 2. We'll call it Funny Voices. Test. Save. And you just push this button to start. Now that's done. You can close that VLC media player, or you can do whatever you want. But here's where it is. Now you can see I've got two different ones in here. Let me get rid of this. Type. Okay. You can see I've got two MP3s of the same ones. This is the one I just did. This is the one I downloaded as an MP3 from Sound Bible. So what you need to do is you go into SFX under UncBot. Type in funny, whatever you want to call it, funny test. And we'll put an exclamation point. That's the command. Volume, I pretty much leave at 100 if I figure out that it's too loud. And you can do some editing with software to edit if you want to make it louder or softer or change modifications, stuff like that. You open it, and automatically when you open it, it wants to go to this file. You just got to find it on your computer. Test sounds. We're going to use the one I did. Now I want to preview the sound. Okay. All right. So we're going to add this command. Now, it's already added. We're just going to let it finish playing its thing out. It's going to be at the very bottom of your list. Funny test, everyone. So if you want to change this just for the mods, then you just go over here, you right click, edit. You want to change permissions to just moderators, or subscribers, or whatever you want to do. So if you can go back in console, you can check it and do funny test. Funny test 1. Maybe that wasn't the name of it. I thought it was. Oh, it was funny test. Haha. So go back here and just do funny test. And there it is. Now, if you want a sound to come up when somebody comes into your channel, you can go to Event System, User Specific, Info. Let's just say I want this sound to come up when Lizzie comes in here. I already have one in there for Lizzie, so I'm going to use Farinthane, F-A-R-Y-N-T-H-A-N-E. Client only, false, enabled, true. So I want to open the path. I want to find that file again. And add. So now anytime Farinthane comes into my stream, that sound's going to go off. Now if you want to edit that to where a little pop-up says something about that person, you can edit it and say, welcome Farinthane to the stream. Please go follow at www.twitch.tv Farinthane. Okay, so you want to save that again, and it's going to overwrite the one you have. Yes. Now, if somebody comes into your stream, if Farinthane does not come into your stream and somebody just types in his username, it's still going to show, it'll pop up that command and that sound. Well, I guess not. I guess it's only coming up when he comes in the stream. Client only false. Okay, so that's it for that right now. I think I'm going to send this on.